Hi everyone, we are back. So I am going to get on to answering all the messages and comments that have been left over the last few weeks. Now, as most of you know, we live in quite a remote place. The nearest shops are about 6 miles away, and we're quite sort of away from modern life and all that. But when you lose your telephone line, your internet connection and electricity, you sort of get that feeling that you're totally disconnected from modern life. And I quite enjoyed that, to tell you the truth. I really did. So here's our story of when this happened. Yeah, let's go. Today has been record-breaking weather, the hottest July ever experienced. We managed to get up to a crazy 37 degrees, which is, in Fahrenheit, just here, I can't work it out, I have to Google it. Yeah, but it looks like we've got storms coming in, we've got thunderstorms to clear the air, so that's real good news. And that will fill my pond up, because the rain comes from the roof of the house, go around there, off the roof, down the pipes, underground, and comes out into the pond. So it's the hottest day of the year, and what better way to end the day with an outdoor shower. It's just a waiting game now. We've just got to wait for that storm to come in. There's some very heavy rain predicted. Perfect outdoor showering weather. Faith in nature, we're going to need this one. I'm not lathering up enough. Yeah, light levels were very low, but you get the gist of that. Now, what a complete winkle slap I was. That's the only way I can describe it, because literally 10 minutes after I had that shower, I went indoors to get dried off, and this happened. We just had a lightning strike, and it must have hit it's either hit the house or the phone line outside, but this blasted off of the wall. This is all burnt. Our internet box is completely burnt out, it stinks. The phone line and the phone is burnt out, and we've got this damage. Whew. Quite scary it was. So we've got no phone or internet now, that's it. Until BT pull their finger out. And now we have a power cut. As if it couldn't get worse. There was an almighty crack inside the house. You wouldn't believe how loud the crack was. Almighty crack. It almost sounded like all the windows had smashed at once. So, the morning after the lightning strike, we've still got no electric. The electric's completely out now. This is what's left. All of this on the table is what's been blasted apart. This shot across the room. This come from down here and just went pow. You can see everything here has been burnt out. Even this, the end of that cable just burnt through. And there's like an electrical smell. The internet box stinks. Anyway, down at the bottom there's a few cottages half a mile away. All of their internet and telephone all got blasted, and about half an hour after the lightning strike, a fire engine went down there, but apparently no one was on fire. There was just a lady down there who lives like a mile away. Her internet stuff and box blew up and she got a bit scared because she was on her own, so she called the fire brigade. But yeah, Mother Nature, eh? At its best. It's 11 o'clock in the morning and the electric has just come back on. It's funny really how you rely so much on electric, because we had a heat lamp on with baby turkeys under it. Luckily they've survived because it was such a warm night. We had eggs in the incubator, so what we done is we went out at 4 o'clock in the morning because we thought the electric might come on overnight. We went out at 4 o'clock in the morning with the eggs and put them all under chickens to keep them warm. So I've just switched the incubator on. I'm just going to wait for that to get up to temperature, and then we're going to retrieve some of the eggs, because some of the chickens that we put them under was just they was just like roosting for the night. They're not actually broody, so but nah, that ain't good. We've had an egg. One of the eggs has broke. Oh dear. Let's have a look. Nah, that's a shame, that is. We've lost that one as well. We had 2 eggs here. That one's been broken open with a half-formed chick in it. Well, these things happen, I'm afraid. There's nothing we can do about this. We just got to carry on, haven't we, really? Could be worse. Could be a lot worse. The thing is, I'm still here. Still here to make stupid videos. So let's go and check the turkey eggs. We actually put these under a broody chicken, but there's so many turkey eggs that I think they might have struggled to fit underneath her. So we'll have a little look at that. Hopefully none of them are broken. We can put some back in the incubator. Oh yeah, she's doing a good job. They're lovely and warm, them eggs. She's done a brilliant job. Well done, you. Well done. Oh, don't break them. Right. Do you know, I'm in 2 minds. I think I might leave them under her, because they've not got long to hatch. She can finish them off, really. Yeah, that's what we'll do. Now, fast forward 12 days into the future. Let's check these eggs. Look, they've hatched. They've only gone and hatched them. There's another one there. Whoa, how fantastic is that? Well done, Mrs. Chickens. Meanwhile, going back, plenty of head scratching and looking down telecom pits occurred. This went on for 11 days. Glasses being cleaned and books coming out off of the shelves. The internet was dead and I entered a slice of heaven. Now down that telephone pit that you just see was some toads, and the man rescued them and we're going to put them back into the pond. It wasn't their right environment down there and it looked like they was trapped. don't push him. And get the bigger one out. Oh, there he goes.
It's not going in.
Oh. There he goes.
Ooh, ooh.
Good swimmers, aren't they? So, sadly, 11 days too early, the internet's come back on. And I don't own an iPhone or anything like that. I've just got my camera. And yes, I do a bit of interneting. I do YouTube, obviously. But I can quite live without it. And sadly, noses have gone back into phones here. And the internet virus is starting to get a grip again. It's raining. Let's get into the polytunnel. So yeah, the internet virus is starting to take a grip of everyone again. So that brings us to the end of another video. Let's hope there's no lightning with this rain. Take care everyone, and I'll see you real soon. See you later.